The Asus TUF Gaming GeForce RTX trademark 4060 Ti OC edition is the latest addition to the company's line of gaming graphics cards. With a sleek design and powerful specifications, this card promises to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. In this review, we will take an unbiased look at its features, performance, and overall value for gamers. Design. The Asus TUF Gaming GeForce RTX trademark 4060 Ti OC edition has a visually stunning design, with its striking black and silver color scheme. The card is built with high-quality materials and has a sturdy build, making it durable and long-lasting. The triple-fan cooling system with Axial Tech fan design ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping the card cool even during intense gaming sessions. The card also features customizable RGB lighting, which adds a touch of personalization to your setup. Performance. The RTX 4060 Ti OC edition is powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, which offers impressive performance even in the most demanding games. With 8 GB GDDR6 memory and a boosted clock speed of 1845 MHz, this card can handle high-resolution gaming, VR, and streaming with ease. The inclusion of DLSS 3 technology further enhances the overall performance by using AI to upscale graphics for a clearer and smoother visual experience. The RTX 4060 Ti also supports PCIe 4.0, which provides faster data transfer speeds and offers more bandwidth compared to the previous generation. This makes it future-proof and compatible with upcoming games that require higher bandwidth. Features. One of the standout features of this graphics card is its support for HDMI 2, 1A and DisplayPort 1, 4A, enabling 8K resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want to experience ultra-high-definition gaming. The card also has dual ball fan bearings, which reduce friction and improve lifespan, making it a durable investment. The card comes with Asus's TUF gaming engine software, which allows users to monitor and adjust various settings, such as fan speed, clock speed, and power targets. The software also features a gaming mode that optimizes performance for gaming, and a quiet mode for those who prefer a quieter system. Positive points. The Asus TUF Gaming GeForce RTX trademark 4060 Ti OC edition has an impressive design, high-quality build, and advanced cooling system, making it a visually appealing and durable choice for gamers. Its performance and features, including support for HDMI 2, 1A and DisplayPort 1, 4A, PCIe 4.0, and DLSS 3, make it a powerful and future-proof graphics card. The inclusion of TUF gaming engine software adds to its value by providing customization options and performance optimization. Negative points. The only potential downside of the RTX 4060 Ti OC edition is its price, which may be out of reach for some budget-conscious gamers. However, the high-end features and superior performance justify the price, especially for those who want to future-proof their gaming setup. Overall, the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce RTX trademark 4060 Ti OC edition is an outstanding graphics card that delivers on its promise of exceptional performance and visuals. Its sturdy build, advanced cooling system, and support for cutting-edge features make it a valuable addition to any gaming rig. While its price may be a consideration for some, the RTX 4060 Ti OC edition is a worthwhile investment for gamers looking for a top-of-the-line graphics card.